Welcome to Tech You Through. Please like, subscribe and tap the bell icon to never miss any future videos. Only less than 1% of my subscribers are watching my videos, and all the other 99% are not subscribed. So if you love technology and if you like the content I create, please consider subscribing to my channel as it really helps it to grow. Hello, and this is the new MacBook Air with M1 Apple Silicone processor. This is the base model in silver. It has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD memory. This is the model with 8 CPU cores and the 7 GPU cores. So 1 GPU core less. I'm making a big change. So I sold my Intel base model MacBook Pro 16-inch laptop to replace it with this MacBook Air. So that will be interesting to test out the rendering speeds and comparing this MacBook Air to my MacBook Pro 16-inch laptop. Before I sold it, I made a couple of tests, video rendering tests, all the benchmark tests, and I will do the same with this MacBook Air very soon. So keep watching my channel, Tech You Through, and let's unbox this one. The plastic has been already removed. I opened already it up, so it booted up. I got this one for 960 euros. It's actually almost 200 euros less than the retail price. Almost the same as in the United States without the tax. Around the same $960. So let's open it up. And here you see I choose the same silver design as I always do. So here it comes in the plastic. I open it up once. So there's the plastic. Let's put it aside and see that nothing has changed. There is your paperwork. There is the silver Apple stickers. The usual stuff. The power adapter. It's very small. It's a 30 watt, very tiny. But as you know, this MacBook Air should last about almost 2 times more the battery life than the Intel MacBook Pros. And there is the USB Type-C cable on both sides. So that's actually it. That's the box, nothing else there. So now we can open it up. So here you got new and shiny. It feels really tiny, really small after using the MacBook Pro 16-incher. So as you can see, it has the headphone jack on the right side. So what's interesting about Apple that Steve Jobs never would agree to, that all the headphones with the cord is always on the left side. If you use the cord headphones nowadays, it has only one cord and it's only on the left side. So why isn't this headphone jack here? Because if you put your headphones on, you need to plug the cord here and put it around the laptop so the cord goes up on the left side. So no ergonomics there. On the left side we have 2 Thunderbolt USB Type-C connection options, and again, why doesn't it has one on each side? So you can charge your MacBook either from the right side or the left side. That will be actually one downside that I have to get used. After using the MacBook Pro 16-incher, it had 2 on both sides. So, silver, shiny laptop. So we open it up. And here you have it. Now let's choose English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Just did it. So now we are just setting up the iCloud account for the first time. And already I can see what I like, and that is the absence of the touch bar. I really like all these F keys, the function keys, so I can quickly turn the volume up, down and mute, or turn the brightness up and down. And there is a Touch ID button, you can see. Here it is. So, in my opinion, this is the best combination, the function keys plus the Touch ID button. So iCloud is setting up. So now let's set up the Touch ID. It's ready. Continue. Apple Pay. And so the MacBook Air has been set up. And what I really like about it, it's really light. And you can see that it's much more easier to type on it because it's not flat, but it's laying down. You can see slight curve there. It has the new scissor switch updated keyboard after the butterfly one. Stay tuned to my channel because I have the MacBook Pro 13-incher with the last butterfly keyboard, so we will comparing in my channel the latest butterfly keyboard to this scissor switch keyboard. And there you go, that was the unboxing of the silver MacBook Air. There you can see it, nice and shiny. So I will be making many tests with it. If you open it up, it's already on, and there you go. That's the MacBook Air. This is the charging brick, and this is the USB charging cable, and that's actually all you get in the box. And we should be grateful because the new iPhones doesn't even have a charging brick. So you can imagine what it'd be like if you received your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro without the charging brick. So that's all for today. Let's keep in touch and meet in the next episode of Tech You Through, where we'll be comparing the MacBook Pro 16-inch and the Intel MacBook Pro 13-inch to this new MacBook Air with M1 processor. And if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and my Instagram profile at Tech You Through as well. Take care, and let's meet in the next episode of Tech You Through.